Hello everyone! Today we will going to embark on a fascinating journey into the intricate relationship between language and the brain. The significance of this relationship lies in the very core of what makes us human, our ability to communicate. Because language is a hallmark of human cognition, serves as a window into the workings of our minds. The dynamic interplay between language and the brain is not just about a matter of linguistic prowess. It delves into the essence of our cognition, emotions, and social interactions. By understanding how our brains process and produce language, we gain profound insights into the complexities of human thought and expression. This exploration is not merely a scientific endeavor. It touches upon the very fabric of our existence. The ability to communicate through language shapes our societies, culture, and individual identities. It allows us to share knowledge, convey emotions, and forge connections with others. Thus, studying the relationship between language and the brain, not just academic pursuit. It's a journey into the core of what defines us as sentient beings. Now, let's turn our attention to the key architects of this intricate symphony, the main brain structures that play pivotal roles in language processing. Now, let's have first, we have the cerebrum. Let's define the cerebrum. Cerebrum as the largest part of our brain. The cerebrum houses the intricate machinery responsible for our higher cognitive functions. It's epicenter of our linguistic abilities, orchestrating the complex dance of language processing. As we navigate through each of these brain structures, we'll uncover the secrets of how they collaborate to give rise to the marvel that is human language. So, buckle up as we embark on this journey into the depths of the brain, where language finds its roots. Now, defining cerebrum is often referred to as the thinking cap of the brain. Constitutes the largest and most evolved part of our neural terrain. It's the headquarters for a multitude of cognitive functions, from reasoning and problem solving to emotions and, of course, language. Picture it as the grand conductor orchestrating the complex symphony of our mental faculties. Now, let's have the functions and significance. As we delve into its primary functions, we discover that the cerebrum is responsible for our conscious thoughts and actions. It processes sensory information, allowing us to perceive the world around us. Now, let's zoom in on its relevance to the captivating realm of language. In the intricate landscape of the cerebrum, language processing takes center stage. This is where the magic happens, the conversation of thoughts into words, the comprehension of spoken and written language, and the formulation of expressive speech. Whether we're crafting poetry or engaging in everyday conversation, the cerebrum is our linguistic maestro, coordinating the dance of neurons to weave the tapestry of language. So, as we continue our journey into the depths of the cerebrum, keep in mind that the pivotal role it plays in shaping our ability to communicate and connect with the world. Now, having uncovered the cerebrum's role as an orchestrator, let's now venture into the intricate realm of the cerebral cortex, the outer layer that holds the secrets to our cognitive prowess. The cerebral cortex class, often likened to the gray matter of our brain, is where the real action unfolds. This highly convoluted layer is not a uniform landscape. Instead, it's a mosaic of specialized regions, each dedicated to distinct functions. Our journey involves navigating through these regions and reliving the complexities that underlies our cognitive abilities. Now, let's zoom in on the architects of this complexity neurons. In the cerebral cortex, billions of these neurons form intricate networks, creating a neural symphony that underlies our ability to think, feel, and most importantly, communicate through language. As we explore the cortexal tapestry, it becomes clear that neurons are not just passive bystanders, they are the storytellers of our linguistic narrative. Different regions of the cortex specialize in various aspects of language and in understanding meaning, processing grammar, or generating speech. Neurons with their remarkable ability to signals are the protagonists in this narrative, enabling us to articulate our thoughts, comprehend language, and engage in the rich tapestry of human communication. So, join me as we venture deeper into the cerebral cortex, unreliving the neural bullet that gives rise to our linguistic abilities. In understanding the role of neurons, we gain insights into the intricate dance of language processing, a dance that unfolds across the convolutions of the cortex, shaping our ability to express and comprehend the beauty of words. As we journey through the cerebral cortex neural bullet, let's not overlook a silent contributor, the cerebellum. Often associated with motor coordination, this unassuming region has more to offer than meets the eye. So, what are those functions of the cerebellum? The cerebellum class, nestled at the back of our brain, is traditionally known for its role in fine-tuning motor movements. It acts as the brain's quality control center, ensuring that our physical actions are smooth, coordinated, and precise. Now, let's delve into its functions beyond the realm of motor control. Surprisingly, the cerebellum has a hand in the intricate dance of language processing. Recent research has unveiled its specific contributions to linguistic abilities. While the majority of language-related activities are orchestrated by the cerebral cortex, the cerebellum seems to play a supporting role influencing the timing, rhythm, and fluency of our speech. Picture the cerebellum as a backstage director, fine-tuning the tempo of our verbal expressions. As we explore its connections to language processing, we unveil the subtle but crucial role it plays in the symphony of communication. So, let's shine a spotlight on the cerebellum, appreciating its multifaceted contributions. Beyond the realm of motor control, and discover how this unassuming region adds depth to the narrative of language in the brain. Our explanation takes us deeper into the intricacies of the brain as we turn our attention to the subcortical structures, a network of regions that form the foundation of our cognitive architecture. In the depths of the brain, beneath the cerebral cortex, lie a collection of subcortical structures, each with a unique role in shaping our cognitive experiences. From the limbic system, responsible for emotions and memory, to the basal ganglia, motor control and learning. These structures are the unsung heroes of our mental landscape. So, these structures are the heroes of our mental language. These structures are the heroes of our mental landscape. Let's embark on a journey to uncover their specific functions and contributions. As we explore these subcortical structures, it's crucial to recognize that they don't operate in isolation. Instead, they form interconnected networks collaborating to orchestrate various cognitive processes, including the language. The limbic system communicates with the cortex, shaping the emotional tones of our expressions, while the basal ganglia interacts with the motor cortex to influence the physical aspects of speech. Imagine these subcortical structures as the foundation of a grand architectural, their interactions creating a symphony of signals that the neural highways within our brain. By understanding these networks, we gain insights into the intricate web that supports our linguistic abilities. So, let's navigate through the subcortical landscapes, appreciating energy that underlies the rich tapestry of cognition and language. Within the intricate network of the brain, the collaboration option of the cerebrum, cerebral cortex, cerebellum, and subcortical structures is a mesmerizing dance. The cerebrum sets the stage, cortex provides nuance, details, then the cerebellum fine-tunes the rhythm and the subcortical structures add emotional use. Together, they form a cohesive unit orchestrating the complexities of language processing. And to bring this abstract concept to life, let's delve into real-world examples and case studies that vividly illustrate the interplay of these brain structures in language processing. Consider individuals with specific neurological conditions or those who have undergone brain imaging studies. By examining their experiences, we gain profound insights into how these assumptions or enhancements in these brain regions can impact language abilities. For instance, we might explore how damage to a particular area of the cerebral cortex affects language production or how changes in subcortical structures contribute to variations in language comprehension. These real-world narratives become a windows into the dynamic relationships within the brain, allowing us to witness the incredible adaptability and resilience of our linguistic capacities. Join me as we analyze these real-world scenarios, decoding stories written in the neural circuits of individuals and appreciate the beauty of the brain's ability to shape and shaped by the marvel of language. As our journey through the landscapes of the brain draws to a close, let's take a moment and now let's take a moment to reflect on the profound symphony we've uncovered, the intricate dance of neural structures that give rise to the marvel of human language. From the commanding cerebrum orchestrating the cognitive symphony to the cerebral cortex where neurons craft the subtleties of language and the unassuming cerebellum. Contributing its finest, we navigated through subcortical structures, discovering their rules and witnessing their interconnected networks. In the grand finale, we explored real-world examples, unrelating the stories written in the neural circuits of individuals. As we step back and survey the landscape we've traversed, it becomes evident that understanding the biology of the brain is not a mere academic pursuit. It's a journey into the essence of what makes us uniquely human. The intricacies of language processing are not confined to textbooks but are woven into the very fabric of our existence. By comprehending the intricate relationships between brain structures, we gain a profound appreciation for the significance of understanding the biology of the brain in relation to language. It's not just about unraveling the mysteries of neurons, and it's about decoding the poetry of human expression, the melodies of communication, and the tapestry of shared understanding that binds us together as a species. So, as we conclude this exploration, let's carry forward the knowledge gained inspired by the intricacies of the brain. May our continued curiosity and understanding pave the way for new insights into the limitless potential of language and remarkable landscape of the human mind. Thank you for embarking on this journey with me, and may your curiosity continue to unveil the wonders that lie within the depths of the brain. This is Balambao Rexy Joy from BSED English 1B of College Teacher Education. To be God all the glory.